India has been well known for textiles since very ancient times. India is the sixth largest exporter of textiles and apparel in the world. The textile industry plays a significant role in Indian economy by providing direct employment to an estimated 35 million people by contributing 4% of GDP. India would turn the textile hub of the world in short time. Almost 70% of Indian cotton textile gets manufactured in Coimbatore and Tirupur district, which is called an Manchester of South India. 60% of Indian spinning populations is located in this belt, where they produce 100% cotton yarn and various blends such as rayon, polycotton and polyviscose. These yarn are consumed mostly in the same belt.
Moreover, 70% of open-end spinning in India is getting manufactured in this region. We are pioneers in getting produced recycled yarn, which turns the planet back to green.
If you come to weaving part, most of the looms are located in small towns, namely Palladam, Somanur and surrounding villages which comes under Coimbatore and Tirupur district.
These cluster consist of almost 200,000 of looms, traditional power looms, which manufactures almost 10 million meters per day.
Textile plays a vital role in development and promoting activities of this industry. All traditional power looms are updated with warp weft stop motions to give better quality without defects.
Earlier, there were 300,000 of power looms located in this region.
With aid of government technology upgradation scheme, nearly 100,000 power loom units gets upgraded to projectile and airjet looms. Today, there are more than 15,000 projectile looms and 5,000 airjet looms manufacturing nearly 5 million meters every day. So in total, these small towns today produce 15 million of meters of fabric every day, which is worth of $10 million every day. This achievement brings the name as Weaving Hub of India to this region. Moreover, the people in this region were farmers in ancient times and they are very hard workers. There are more than dozens of textile institutes located in this region which train more than 10,000 students every year. You get most skilled, technically sound laborers in this region, so we produce good quality and quantity at the right time. So it is great opportunity for the customers to work with cluster and get benefit.
The grey fabric produced in our cluster is getting transported to various regions of India where it is again processed, finished and getting exported to various countries.
Get process such as bleaching, dyeing and printing. Out these goods, 50% are exported and 50% are consumed for domestic. With the help processing units in and out of these places, almost 25% of these produced goods are converted into finished products such as men's and ladies' garments, and home textiles such as kitchen linens, hotel and hospital linens, aprons and industrial textiles. Tailoring sewing units are getting multiplied in folds. There is a question how this region particularly dominating in textiles. Customer base is growing day by day in this region, and what are the advantages for customers who buys textile in this region? To produce cotton and viscose fiber textiles, we should need a uniform climate. This cluster, Coimbatore and Tirupur district, has a tropical climate that looks good throughout. The year which is most important for cotton and viscose textile, so it is nature gift for this particular cluster.
The textile industry in our cluster is growing day by day, and to make the finished product to meet our government's Make in India and Farm to Finish scheme, tailoring units are getting new started up every day by day here.
Most of industry have moved to green energy by improving solar panels.
The next important point is that the people today who are in textiles were earlier farmers. They are really hardworking peoples. They never look for the time. They are very skilled people. They do much work on the textiles and made this region to grow a fast textile cluster. With the help of skilled laborers and trained and well educated people here in our cluster, we were able to meet all good quantum orders with good quality at right time. So we request the customers who all come to know about our cluster to grab this opportunity and get beneficial of our cluster with good quality product at right time.